Bonjour tout le monde, je m'appelle Kushi. In this video, we are going to learn about the lesson 2nd of your HSC 12th standard textbook, which is of the name Rencontre. So now, what is the title of the second lesson? It is Voyage, Voyage, which means travel, travel. Now, if you are aware of your syllabus, there is a part of writing skills known as blog writing. So, lesson 2 is given in the format of blog writing. Who is the author of this blog? As you can see, it is whom? Ira Deshmukh. Okay, it is Ira Deshmukh. Now, moving forward, we'll move on to the text. It is what? Ira Deshmukh, and Ira Deshmukh is the author. So, what does Ira have to say? Prête à voyager toujours. So, she begins with giving a title to the blog, which is what? Prête à voyager toujours. Ready to travel always. Then, de retour à Mumbai, après une semaine à Paris. Of returning to Mumbai after a week at Paris. So she's basically she's going to let us know about how her stay in Paris was. Tant de choses à partager, a lot of things to share. Tant de choses à partager, a lot of things to share. Je commence avec les souvenirs les plus précieux. I'll start with the memories which are the most precious. Okay, I'll start with the memories which are the most precious. Now, the first one, you can see that she has divided this blog in 3 parts according to 3 monuments or museums. Okay, so the first one is, of course, what? Eiffel Tower, which is called as La Tour Eiffel. On sait que c'est le monument le plus connu du monde. We know that this is the monument the most known in the world, or this is the most famous monument in the world. Nous sommes montés tout en haut en ascenseur pour avoir une vue panoramique de la ville. We had climbed tout en haut on the topmost part through what? Through the lift ascenseur pour avoir to have a panoramic view of the city. Cette fois means this time, au deuxième niveau, on the second floor, on the second stage, nous avons déjeuné dans un restaurant de luxe. We had our dinner in the restaurant of luxury, that is a luxurious restaurant, Le Jules Verne. What is the name of the restaurant? It is Le Jules Verne. Ce monument en fer symbolise tout ce qui est élégant, tout ce qui est français. This monument made up of iron. Here the word is used as a to denote out of which material something is made up of. So Eiffel Tower is made up of what? Iron. So here this monument made up of iron. Fair means iron. So this monument made up of iron symbolizes everything which is elegant and everything which is French. So this was her first part. Now the next part, the second part is Château de Versailles. Château de Versailles. Nous y avons passé une journée entière tranquillement dans la plus splendide des résidences royales. We there passed a day, an entire day. Tranquillement means what? Calmly. Tranquillement. Dans la plus splendide, in the most splendid of the royal residencies. Les appartements luxueux, les vastes jardins magnifiques, in the luxurious apartments and in the vast gardens. Jardin means gardens. Magnifique, magnificent. Avec des statues et des fontaines, with the statues and the fountains. Et n'oublions pas la galerie des glaces. And let us not forget, oublions is to forget. And let us not forget about the gallery of glasses, that is gallery of glass. Okay. Le lieu historique, the historical place où l'on a signé le traité de Versailles, the historical place where we had signed the Treaty of Versailles en 1919. So, if you come from the background of CBSE board, you might be aware of the Treaty of Versailles. This was an important part of the French Revolution. Okay, so a treaty, a pact, an agreement was signed over here. Now moving to the third part, Le Musée Griffin. Le Musée Griffin, the Griffin Museum. Le Musée means museum. A. L'un des endroits is one of the places. Endroit means places. Les plus intéressantes, les plus intéressants à visiter à Paris. The most interesting to visit in Paris. Okay. Ici se trouvent des statues aussi des personnalités célèbres de tous les domaines. Here we find what? Here we find the statues en cire means what? Made up of wax. Yes. So earlier en was used to symbolize something of which material it is made. Just like we have read it earlier. En fer made up of iron. So en cire made up of wax. So wax statues are present at the Museum of Griffin, of whom of various célèbres means famous personalities of all the domains. Faites des photos avec le général Charles de Gaulle ou avec le président de la République française. You can click photos or you can do photos with famous personalities such as Charles de Gaulle or the president of Republic of France. Rencontrer de nombreux stars du cinéma. Here you can meet various stars of cinema. So various stars of cinemas ou faites une passe avec les footballers. Here you can meet various stars of cinema or you can make passes of football with various footballers such as Lionel Messi ou Kylian Mbappe. Okay, so these are the two famous footballers if you know about them. Vous pouvez vivre vos rêves au musée Griffin. You can live your dreams at the Museum of Griffin. Now there is a line in pink given over here, which is what? Je vis pour voyager. Je voyage pour vivre. So, I live to travel. I travel to live. I hope you're through with this lesson. At least you now have a basic idea. So, what this entire text was about. So, this over here, format of blog writing is given as well. You have to go through this lesson. You have to mark important words. You'll listen to this video once again, and now for the second time, you'll write down the words about which you did not know. Lesson 1 is already uploaded on my channel. So, see you in the upcoming videos. Till then, bye bye.